Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to remove and reinstall the blade on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. First, you'll need to remove the bowl from the station. To remove it, you'll need to first remove the cover, or at least twist it, otherwise the bowl won't go out. Now, remove it, and then you'll need to remove the lid anyway to be able to do it. So let's remove it, and now you need to find this little switch right here on the bottom. Then switch it to the open position, but I recommend doing it while the bowl isn't upside down so the blade doesn't fall out. So I'll just push it to the open position, and then I can remove the blade very easily. Now you could clean it, then make sure that the seal is properly seated. So make sure it's installed all the way in when you want to put it back on, and then install it. There are these two notches, and they need to fit into these two holes, these two cutouts. Once it sits in nicely, you can now lock into its position, into its locked position, as you can see, and then reinstall the bowl in the base station. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.